Today topic of discussion is how to get multiple rows from SQL Server table using less than equal to sign and applying the less than sign. This is the symbolic representation of less than equal to, the this one is the symbolic representation of less than sign. So without applying any kind of predicate logic, first I would like to see how much data is present in the human resource employee table, and when I will execute the statement, I am getting 290 rows. I can actually confirm this information from the messages tab, and you can see like there are 290 rows over here. Right, this one. So now I am selecting the vacation hours in my predicate logic, and I will apply the vacation hour, and I will apply my predicate logic in where clause over here. In this SQL statement, I am actually asking for all the vacation hours which are having less than value 50. So when I will execute this statement, the values which are actually greater than or equal to 50, those values will be excluded. So rows containing 123, 60, 76, 77, 78 will be excluded from the resultant data set. So let's start. If I execute the statement, you can see all the information coming over here, and the value and all of these rows values contain less than 50, right? But what if I would like to see like value of 50 should also be included in the data set? So I will simply write equals to sign over here, and when I will execute the statement, I will also get the information having the value of 50 in it. Right now I am getting 139 rows. Before execution of the statement, like I am getting 139 rows when I have applied less than operator over here. So now I am applying equals to operator, so there must be a change in the row count as well. So see, there are actually 142 rows which are coming right now, and it means like in vacation hours there will be rows having the value of 50. See, on the row number of 121, I am actually getting on the row 121, and with the business entity ID 238, I am getting the value of 50 over here. And there's another one having the business entity ID 202, having the vacation hours equals to 50, right? So let's move on to another example, which is again our date example. Right now what I am doing over here is like I have selected the birth date column, and I am asking for all the information which is having a birth date less than or equal to 1960, that's 01-21. So any value which will be greater than 1960, year 1960, month 01, and date 21 will be excluded, and all the values which are actually less than or equal to 1960 01-21 will be included. So when I will select this statement and execute this statement, I will have my required data set, and right now in this birth date column, all the values which are coming are as per the condition, as per the predicate which is actually provided over here. So, hopefully you have understood the concept and you will like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.